Okay, let's go again. While we're waiting, any title plans to watch? KM Scosby. It's 2 bishops up, yes. Watch them again. Another game. Ng5 FM. It's not playing. Step by step. No one's playing. Okay. Jotun, hang on a sec. It's playing a computer. Practice. Is it a composition or something? Ah, PATTAYA again. Okay, we're going to get a game this time. A full game. I won that. I'll try not to lose my light square bishop in this one like yesterday. That was a bit unfortunate. I've had this before with G takes F on the cards. Now he's going for C4. What does it do? Go to H5? He looks to have a very pleasant position on my C4. I'm going to have to do something. I'll weaken myself a bit. I think there might be knight A3. Okay. Try and get some counterpart on the king side ready. H4, H5. Knight A3, maybe knight D5. It's possible. This is always rook C2. Oh, this bishop's. Oh, this isn't pleasant. I've got this Java thing closing that, annoying me all the time. Okay, party time. Let's take care. Attack E4. At least I got rid of that monster bishop. I think I'll secure the. Oh, I'll have to score G5 here before I lose a pawn for nothing. Is he going to give me an H file? Right. Bit of dynamism, but he's got the good structure and the good pressure, like backward pawn here. I've got the dynamism though, changes the picture a bit. Like Queen E4 seems to be good here. Again, threatening mate. So F4 or Bishop D5. F4 is a bit loosening. Maybe Bishop D5. Just go with Bishop D5, I think. Cash out. That's a horrible knight to deal with. I'll play Queen F4 after. Upset the pawn, or just take and then Rook H6. The ending there seems good, because how does he defend H7? Alright, Rook H6 then. He's going to go for D4. A double. That'll be bonus for threatening mate soon. The 2 rooks. Ah, okay, okay. He's got a point. So D4 is vulnerable. Can I use that F file? Can I get the king in to E3? Try and hijack the C file. King F3. Rook C4, King E3. If Rook C2, King E3, Rook B2, Rook C1. Yeah, I think the king could play a role here. Or is it in trouble? I'm losing on the pawn. King f4. If I can get this rook c7 for e6 business. I'm 20 seconds down. Okay, rook c7 for e6. Tactical. If I get e6 in, then king e5. So rook c7, rook f8, e6. Okay, stopping that dead. Okay, rook c7 anyway for winning b7 maybe. If I win b7, there's only one pass pawn over there. Right. Now, can I push through with e6? If I go rook e1 for e6, there's rook e6, I suppose. Go here, this one. Try and get rook b5 for rook d5. Actually, rook b6 would threaten e6 as well. But hold on, I can't lose that. My king's kind of trapped here. It's not going to allow e6, is he? Rook a8 e6. a3 rook a7. Is that any good? Okay. I think I might have to take. What else is that? We'll go like this. Maybe. 1 minute 38. If I take on b5 and then go back. Would e6 still be strong if the rook wasn't there? Because the king gets e5. If I can get king to e5. I'll take this guy off from. Okay, so d4 is dropping. Or I get e6 in. If I get e6 in here, my king can come to d6, Capablanca like pawn sack, maybe, I hope. Get the king very aggressive. Nope, not that brilliant though. King's aggressive, but I'm 30 seconds down on the clock. I didn't want to lose that, so maybe, okay, I'm pushing for f6 maybe. Can I get my king to that position? Right, can I get my rook to e7? Takes on g5 plate. Rook f7. Get that f pawn. So rook g2 takes on f7, take on h7. Right, I'll get f7. Draw. Oh, come on. Okay, draw. Yeah, that was a bit of a tough. Okay. Oh, blimey. Bit involved right pawn ending. My king kind of stranded. By the way, there are some endgames in the recent Rapid of Magnus, which I think I will try and go through, just in case there's some stuff to learn, so I could share that with you. Just quickly go over some of those endings at some point in the current World Rapid tournament. This was just very tricky, but okay, so this is very tricky. His king's come away from f7. Did I miss something here? It looks like a draw. Comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks very much.